Simple makeup tutorial. So first up, I put on Pond's Concealer, Olay Natural White, and after those two, I put on Clean and Clear powder. After that powder, I put on Maybelline foundation all over my neck and my face. Next step is to put on this light pink eyeshadow. It doesn't matter which brand you use unless it's light pink. Next step is to put on this peach brown eyeshadow. Also put a little bit under your eyes. Next is this light brown eyeshadow and use a very small thin brush. Make sure to put some on your eyeline. And this is how it should look like. Next step is to mix this gray and pinkish brown eyeshadow and put it under the corner of your eyes. This is how it should turn out. Next step is to put this very light glittery pink under your eyes to make it a little shiny. Next step is to put this light glittery gold under your eyes. It'll make your eyes bigger and bright. And put a little bit on your nose to make it shine. I use this dark peach shade eyeshadow for my contour and I put it around my nose. I use this black stick eyeliner from Revlon and this curly mascara from Maybelline. Final step is to put on this lip tint. And you're finished. This is the final look and look at how pretty I am. That is my simple makeup tutorial and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So yeah, bye! Thank you for watching.